Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that makes learning English fun and easy. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're talking all about nouns. If you're new to English, this episode is just right for you because we'll go over what nouns are, how they're used, and why they're such a big part of everyday conversations. So, what exactly is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Think of nouns as the building blocks of language. They help us talk about everything around us. Some common nouns you might know already are cat, city, book, and friend. Nouns can be things you can see and touch, like table and apple, or they can be ideas you can't physically touch, like happiness or freedom. Let's look at a few examples. If I say, the dog is running, dog is a noun because it names an animal. Or if I say, I live in a city, city is a noun that tells us where I live. Another example is, she loves her family. Here, family is a noun naming a group of people she cares about. Now, think about how nouns fit into daily conversations. For example, if you're at a cafe, you might say, I'd like a coffee. Here, coffee is a noun because it names what you want. Or, if you're meeting a friend, you could say, let's go to the park, where park is a noun naming the place you're planning to go. Learning and recognizing nouns will help you build sentences and express yourself more easily in English. If you're finding this episode helpful, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps other learners discover the show and grow their English skills. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to exploring more with you in our next episode.